Today, we're diving into something exciting, the official release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Yes, you heard that right, it's finally here, and it's bringing some exciting design and performance upgrades over its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 FE. But if you're planning on grabbing the latest fan edition, one of the biggest questions on your mind is probably, what colors will the Galaxy S24 FE come in? Well, we've got all the details for you, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about the color options. The Galaxy S24 FE is going to be available in 5 colors: blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. But, as usual, there's a bit of catch. While blue, graphite, gray, and mint will be widely available across most countries, the yellow variant is going to be a bit more exclusive. That's right, if you've got your eyes on the yellow edition, you might have to hunt a little. Samsung has decided to keep this color limited to select countries and specific retailers. So, for example, you might only find the yellow variant if you're ordering directly from Samsung's official website or possibly in certain regions where it's being offered as a special edition. If yellow is the one you want, make sure to double check its availability in your country before placing your order. Now, you might notice something different compared to the previous FE models. This year, Samsung hasn't released the Galaxy S24 FE in classic black or white. For those of you who like sticking to the classics, that might be a bit of a surprise. However, Samsung has something close enough. You can opt for graphite, which has a darker, almost black vibe, or go with gray, which is a subtle alternative to white. These shades are designed to give that timeless look without being too bold or flashy. Also, unlike the Galaxy S23 FE, you won't be seeing any funky colors like purple or tangerine this time around. Samsung has decided to keep it a bit more neutral and toned down this year, sticking to shades that are more refined and universally appealing. While we're talking about aesthetics, let's dive into the overall design. From a distance, you might think the Galaxy S24 FE looks almost identical to the Galaxy S23 FE. They both feature an aluminum frame with glass protection on both the front and back. But Samsung has made some key improvements this time around, especially in terms of durability. The Galaxy S24 FE now sports Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and rear panels. This is an upgrade over the previous generation, making it even more resistant to scratches and drops. So if you're someone who's constantly on the go or a little clumsy, no judgment here. That extra durability could come in handy. And let's not forget the new design tweaks that make the phone even more comfortable to use. The bezels around the screen are thinner compared to last year's model, giving the display a more immersive feel. It doesn't quite match the ultra-thin bezels of the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, but it's definitely a step up from the S23 FE. Another subtle improvement is the flat sides of the device. This gives you a more comfortable grip and, to be honest, just makes the phone feel a bit more premium in hand. Now, for those of you in the USA, here's the scoop on availability. You can start pre-ordering the Galaxy S24 FE as early as September 26, and if everything goes smoothly, the phone should arrive at your doorstep by October 3. Some lucky customers might even get it earlier, so keep an eye on those tracking numbers. As for the rest of the world, the global release is set for October 10, so whether you're in Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, the wait won't be too long. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE brings a solid set of color choices this year with a mix of subtle and vibrant options. Whether you want something classic like graphite or gray, or you're ready to stand out with mint, blue, or the exclusive yellow, there's something for everyone. And with its durable Gorilla Glass Victus plus protection and slimmer bezels, this phone feels like a premium upgrade, even though it sits at the fan edition level. If you're in the market for a well-rounded phone that looks good and can handle the daily grind, the Galaxy S24 FE is worth considering. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the new Galaxy S24 FE colors? Which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.